everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to slay your makeup using BB cream, okay? As you can see, my eyebrows are already done. I also primed and moisturized my face. I'm just going to moisturize my lips and we can get started with the video. I'm going to shake up the BB cream, pour some of the product onto my hand just to make sure it warms up a little bit before I apply it to my face. I'm going to take my Real Techniques makeup sponge, apply some of the product onto my face, blend it out, and then apply it to my other side of my face and blend it out as well. If you're a girl like me and you don't really need foundation, or you don't really wear it, you just, kind of timid of foundation, I highly recommend BB cream. It's very weightless and it gives you a nice sheer glowy look. It's very affordable. I know I love affordable stuff, so definitely go check out BB cream. I absolutely love it. And here's what it looks like. Alright, so now what I like to do is highlight. I like to highlight all the high points of my face, that is under my eyes. I like to highlight my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin as well. Now I want to take that same sponge and go ahead and blend everything out. I started off with my chin, my cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, onto my forehead, and I'm going to finish off with under my eyes. You want to make sure your highlight is very seamless. You want to make sure you blend it out very good, because you don't ever want anyone to notice where your highlight is starting and stopping. So just make sure everything is blended. Once that is blended, I like to go ahead and set my highlight. Like to start off with my chin, my cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, my forehead, and as you can see, I definitely make sure I set under my eyes. Once that is set, I immediately go ahead and just sweep all the setting powder away. Each product I use in this video is also going to be listed down in the description box, so make sure you go check out those products. What I'm doing now is contouring my cheeks, because we all know I got some chubby ass cheeks, like, okay. But yeah, contouring my cheeks a little bit. I'm going to do my forehead and the sides of my nose. I like to take the sponge and go ahead and start blending everything out. If it's one thing you need to know about makeup, or if one thing you need to remember about makeup, it's blending. Blending is the key to success when it comes to makeup. Blend, 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 like dead ass. Blend your makeup. But no, seriously, that's the key. Just make sure your makeup is well blended. I'm just finishing up my nose contour right here. Then after I'm finishing up blending this out, I'm going to go ahead and cut my contour with the setting powder. This is going to make my contour and my cheeks look a little bit more precise. I'm going to go ahead and set my contour, bronze up my face a little bit, bring some warmth back to my face. So I'm going to do my cheeks, my forehead, my jawbone a little bit, and now I'm going to do a winged eyeliner. I can't wait to actually perfect the winged eyeliner. I've been struggling with this, but practice make perfect. So I've got a lot better, but I just can't wait to it's 100% like perfect. I went ahead and did my other winged eyeliner off camera, and now it's time to apply lashes. I like to let it dry, to get the glue tacky a little bit. I like to look down into a mirror I just found it very helpful, and you can always use tweezers. I'm just so used to using my hands. And I also did my other lash off camera. Now I'm going to take this nice, soft, and subtle blush. I absolutely love this blush. I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to smile a little bit as I'm applying it. And I'm going to take off the remaining of that setting powder, and as you can see, my contour is precise and sharp. I'm just making sure everything is blended out at this point. Next, what I'm going to do is take my all-time favorite highlighter. Like, Rihanna killed this. Like, literally I use this every time I do my makeup. But yeah, I'm going to highlight my cheekbones. I'm also going to take my finger and highlight my nose, my chin, and my forehead as well. And I'm also going to be brightening up my my eyes a little bit by putting this highlight in my inner tear duct. And I'm just going to take this, it's kind of like a eyebrow mascara. This product helps your eyebrow last all day, and it helps your eyebrow hairs to stay in place as well. Now I'm going to take off that moisturizer that I used earlier and apply this balm lipstick. I absolutely love it. It's very it's a long wear lipstick. I find it amazing. It's literally my favorite lipstick, and it also matches my hair, so I just thought it was perfect for this video. I'm just applying my my mole that got covered up by all the makeup. And I'm just going to be setting my face because I want it to last all day. Let me take this ugly ass bonnet off, play with my hair a little bit, and y'all, that's basically it. Hope it was easy for you. This BB cream is a great alternative. If you don't use foundation, you should definitely go check it out. I absolutely love it. I want to thank y'all for supporting me. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay. Bye guys.